I study the dynamics of small networks. These networks come from lobsters and crabs.
Known as one of the most influential scientists of her generation, Eve Marder continues to raise the bar for women in science, redefining and re-examining the ways in which we conceive our most valuable resource, the brain. After graduating from Brandeis in 1969, Marder headed to the University of California, San Diego for graduate school. It was at UCSD that Marder would study the specific neural network of a lobster's stomatogastric ganglion system, which would prove pivotal for the rest of her career.
We became interested in animal-to-animal variability, what makes one crab different from one crab or one human different from another human. And so obviously, all healthy humans share some features in common, but we all know they're also different one from another. The same thing is true with other wild-caught animals like crabs or lobsters.
Dr. Marder went on to pioneer how a neural circuit can generate the necessary rhythmic firing patterns that control muscle movements. She's spent 50 years studying 30 neurons on the stomach of a lobster.
The movements that my lab studies are rhythmic movements, such as those that you need to walk or to breathe, or that the animals need to do similar things, walk and breathe and swim, etc.
These studies yielded valuable insights into the much more complex workings of the human brain.
It's the puzzles. The puzzles of biology have inspired me, and I value enormously the creativity and the intelligence and the rigor and the thoughtfulness of my collaborators and my students. I sometimes tell my students to listen to the crab, because the deep mysteries of biology are there to be found, and they're to be found by people who know how to look and know how to listen.
Dr. Marder's research has helped to shape our understanding of how neurons communicate with each other and how this communication is regulated to produce complex behaviors. And her findings have been widely cited and have provided a foundation for further studies in the field. She has inspired and mentored a long line of postdoctoral researchers, but mostly, she says, "I do science," which explains the two mottos she lives by: excellence comes with excitement, and always listen to the crab.